I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award-Winning Speed Screed. Today I'm here to give you a little more insight into RonaScreed one-day overlay. RonaScreed one-day overlay is a cement replacement used to rapidly reduce the level of retained moisture within site batch screeds. This allows floor coverings to be laid much sooner than conventional screeds. Rapid strength gain permits light foot traffic after only 6 hours. Drying screeds incorporating RonaScreed one-day overlay is influenced by heat generated during curing, which means drying thicker screeds is faster per millimetre of screed thickness. Screeds installed at 50mm thickness can accept moisture sensitive floor coverings which require 75% surface relative humidity before laying after only 36 hours. Screeds applied at 75mm thickness or greater can get the same covers after only 1 day. So what are the benefits? Cement replacement system for rapid drying screed. Rapid drying can accept floor coverings such as vinyl tiles and carpets after only 1 day. Rapid hardening, light foot traffic in 6 hours. It can be applied as thin as 25mm. The pre-packed formulation offers the assurance of a consistent high performance, compatible with underfloor heating systems. The minimum bonded thickness is 25mm for light duty, 40mm for heavy duty. The minimum unbonded thickness is 40mm. Minimum floating thickness is 65mm for light duty, 75mm for heavy duty. 1 day drying time. It is necessary that where no effective damp-proof membranes exist, that RonaScreed DPM is first applied. And if you refer to the RonaScreed DPM datasheet, you'll find out more information. When laying a bonded screed, the surface must be mechanically prepared and tested to ensure it is appropriate to bond the screed. The screed must be laid on damp or tacky primer, and a dry primer must be vigorously scratched and reapplied. Clean the substrate to take away dust and debris. Damp with clean water and allow the water to soak in. Take off any excess water and apply a bond coat of RonaScreed Rapid Primer and brush well into the surface. When mixing RonaScreed one-day overlay, rapid dry screed must be mixed in a forced action mixer, such as a Crete angle pan mixer. Do not mix using a free-fall mixer. Mix dry components and when evenly dispersed, add adequate clean water for enough compaction and surface finish to guarantee full hydration of the cement. The compaction of dry mixers will be poor and strength will be below requirement. When placing RonaScreed one-day overlay, it must be placed instantly after mixing. The screed must be joined and closed with a float or trowel. Avoid overworking the surface. Thicknesses above 50mm must be placed monolithically, wet on wet. in more than one layer to ensure full compaction. The British standard states that layers should be compact in 50mm sections. Each layer should be of more or less equal thickness. To ensure satisfactory adhesion, the lower layer must be raked to provide a key for the next layer. If the workability of a layer is lost, it must be mechanically prepared before applying the next layer. Then apply a bond coat of RonaScreed Rapid Primer and brush well into the surface, and then lay the next layer onto the wet tacky primer. When curing the exposed 1-day screed, protect it from drying winds and direct sunlight. So there you have it, the fabulous RonaScreed 1-day overlay. For more information, please contact us. We love to help.